There's been a lot of talk lately, especially the past few years, about public health, and we have an amazing Bachelor's in Public Health program that's starting here at Los Angeles Pacific University. Dr. Vance, can you tell me a little bit about this program?
Yes, absolutely. So, as you mentioned, this is a new program for us, and I'm really excited about it because students are going to have an opportunity to gain practical skills in this program, to learn tools and technology so that are going to help students be real world problem solvers in public health. So, our focus is on training students to analyze healthcare data, implement quality improvement in healthcare, manage healthcare projects, and ensure compliance with laws and regulations. So, this program will really set you up well to go into any field in public health because you're going to come out of it a critical thinker, a problem solver, and a leader in healthcare. So it's a really cool program. I'm very excited about it.
Oh, those are some neat features. So what would be some like granular program highlights or
Mhm.
things that make this program special?
Yeah, I mean, one thing I really like the way we've set up our bachelor's in public health is that we have a global focus for our program. And I think that's so important now because, as we all know, public health in general is such a global issue with our interconnected public health systems throughout the world. So it's really important in the current evolving regulatory environment that students really have a deep understanding, not just for what's happening right here in front of us, but globally. We teach students about digital health laws and international health policies. We teach students also a lot in this program about data analytics, which is also huge right now when you start
That's big.
researching, where the jobs are, where the well-paid jobs are. You're going to see data analytics come up a lot. That's big in public health, so we really do focus on that. We have students analyze large-scale databases for practice. Another thing that is really cool about this program is we teach students about AI in public health. We have a whole course in the program focused just specifically on how artificial intelligence AI is being used in public health and healthcare in general right now. So we really want to teach students how to make data-informed decisions, to implement quality improvements. So I think you could summarize what I just said in that we're really looking at what's happening right now in public health. So this program, has a global focus, a data focus, and an AI focus. And those are the big things you're going to see hitting hard right now when you think about public health.
Those are huge. And then as we're talking about that, what about the CPH accreditation and what is it and how does it tie in?
Yeah, good question. So you'll see that acronym come up a lot when you're looking at public health programs, CEPH, that's the Council on Education for Public Health. And that is a certification that they give to programs. Our program is very new, so we haven't pursued that yet. They have certain requirements, such as, a minimum number of faculty. And we are still a smaller program as we get started, which is really cool because we can give students a lot of individual focus that way. But we don't have that accreditation yet that comes with being a bigger, more established program. So don't let that concern you too much because students can still apply for certification based on having the bachelor's in public health that we offer and then relevant public health work experience. So the school having CEPH accreditation is not the sole pathway to gaining certification for students. So, and your coaches can talk to you more about that as you get going too, just so you can have a full understanding of that more than I could give you here in this brief overview.
So it's still the
It
certification,
is.
individual certification is absolutely attainable.
It certainly is, definitely.
Then with all of that, it sounds like a lot of value comes from this
Mhm.
program. You mentioned the individual attention, the focus from instructors helping students, that
Yeah.
individualized attention, and then the pathway towards that certification if they would choose to prefer it outside of the program.
Mhm. Mhm.
Um, is it an affordable program? That sounds like a lot.
Yeah, great question. It really is. We're still able to maintain that affordability despite the really high quality. And as you mentioned, the individualized high touch faculty-student situation that we have. So cost per credit hour is $515 per credit. So as students start to do a little bit of research on costs, they'll see that is just slightly below the average cost of our competitors. So I'm pretty happy that we're still able to keep this program affordable despite everything that we're offering with it.
So it's really student-centered,
Mhm.
technology-driven because there's that focus on the student and
Yep.
still use artificial intelligence, focus on data analytics. Sounds like an amazing program. Are there
Yeah.
any overall comments you want to give a potential student?
Yeah, I think this is a great program for students interested in public health because, I mean, you're going to come out of this program highly skilled and ready to go into the workforce. In particular, you're going to come out of this program a critical thinker, a problem solver, and ready to be a leader in public health. So those are our goals for students, and we have it set up really well to help students achieve those goals. So a pretty exciting time to be in this new program and be launching a career in public health.
Well, that is amazing. So thank you, Dr. Vance, and check out the Bachelor of Public Health at LAPU.
Thank you.